Okay guys, I hope that you can hear me. Here we have a police car in front of us. Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and as you probably already know, this channel it's all about passion. Passion for cars, bikes and traveling. This time we are gonna set up my first motovlog. I mean putting this mic in my helmet and trying the sound also when riding. So for this we need a mic, and this is this Lavalier Saramonic mic. It has a 2 meters long cable. We need a normal tape. We need a muff. We need scissors and my helmet. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it right now. Stay with me. Let me welcome you to today's episode. ...650cc bike, 6 positions. So, first of all, we have to remove the lining here inside. Why? We are gonna put our mic on the left side, because on the left side on the camera it's also the mic input, so it is gonna be on the left side. So here, okay, we're gonna go just like this, and here you see I'm gonna put inside the mic, and using this tape I'm gonna fix it, also inserting the muff, that it is gonna be just here straight, so I will have enough space for my chin, and I hope that the sound will be okay. So let's do it. Just try to roll this cable for the minimum space inside the helmet. We can use this little tape here, okay, so it is something like this, and then we will put it inside. Right now I have already adjusted it. It is time for the tape. I will use just a little piece of it because I'm not quite sure if it will work, and after I can fix it properly, if you understand me. So this little piece will just fix it for the moment, to try it on the bike, and later I will fix it properly. And let's put it here, yeah, like this, just for the moment. It is an American tape, so it is quite strong. You heard the click. Okay guys, it's time to put this muff on, and also fix the mic inside here where the chin is. We don't need this one. We don't need this one inside, so I just put it down And here I'm gonna use this tape, just little piece like I previously showed you, also here. Okay guys, it is now like this. You see, here it's the cable and the tape, and here is the muff and the mic. So it goes from the side, so from the left side, because also the mic input on my cam, it's on the left side. Hope that it will work okay. Okay guys, I hope that you can hear me. I don't know right now what the sound is, but I hope that it is okay. How do you hear me, guys? I just put my visor down and I hope that you hear me well. I really don't know what the sound is, but I have to check it later and maybe adjust it a bit, but I'm gonna try my best, like always. I hope that now the sound is better, I mean with the visor down, so we will see how it will perform, let's say. So we are now riding in Divača through these tiny narrow streets. This is a karst region, this is a karst little town, and this is just something to mention while I'm testing this mic. I am just talking, if you don't mind. So right now we are gonna go on a bit faster roads to see how it will perform. And now the bike will already get warm, so it's gonna be perfect, I think. Here we are gonna go right. This is the direction to Lipica, and this is a well-known location for Lipican horses. Okay guys, we are now riding a bit faster. How do you hear me? Still hope for the sound to be good enough. So guys, today it's February 22, the sun is shining and it's warmer than usual. I think that right now we have around 10 degrees, maybe 11. In the morning it was still freezing and icy, but now it's warm enough to ride. I mean, just a bit. I hope that you hear me well. Now we're gonna also try it a bit faster, but not on this segment, because here it is just 50 kilometers per hour allowed. So this is local, a small town, or let's say village in Slovenian karst area. So we will respect the rules, and here we can go only, as you see, 50 kilometers per hour. On such a sunny day, it is always nice to be on a bike, and some of you were riding during the whole winter, but I only ride till 15th of November, and then I start in March, in mid-March I would say. So right now just testing my new mic, Saramonic Lavalier, and I hope that you can hear me very well. May I mention the famous prosciutto? So this is a meat industry on this karstic area. Okay, here we should stop and go back. So what is the reason that I decided to use this microphone and doing proper motovlogs? This is because of my new series that I'm gonna do in 2022. It's gonna be the Discovering of Slovenia 2, so the sequel of the previous one. Those of you who are new to the channel or just don't know about it, check it here. There are 13 videos about Slovenia and tourist attractions from town to town, so I think that it can be interesting for you, so you can check it, like I said. And this time I'm gonna do the sequel, so this is something that it's gonna be even a little bit more interesting, at least I think so, and I will try my best to do so. And you will see, I will try to make it differently than this previous version of Discovering Slovenia, and you will see and discover, I think, some interesting parts of Slovenia also with my comments. Okay, my SV, let's go. You sound right, yeah? During these winter months, my SV was in my garage all the time. I just had to move it a little bit and start it every 15 days. So I am not the one that would really leave my bike for so long not touching it. So I'm taking care of my bike with moving it and starting it up every 15 days. So this is 107. I think this is the fastest for today. you're gonna tell me how it sounds. So the bike feels very ready, I would say, for the season. I'm gonna do also the service. I'm gonna take it to the service in the beginning of March, and you will also see that video. Maybe we can do 10 kilometers more just to reach the number 1900 kilometers. So it will be really a nice number when I'll park the motorbike later. Here we have a police car in front of us, but we don't care. The turning signal, right one, it's on. We are not gonna exaggerate, so let's ride and enjoy the ride, even though this Skoda Fabia is in front of us. The police one, Fabia, I mean. Okay guys, this is all for now. I hope that you enjoyed. Next videos are coming soon. I'm gonna park my bike for, let's say, a little bit less than a month right now, and in March you can expect some very good videos, and I hope that you like them. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.